Testing 1, 2, 3. Is it done? Is it done? Yep. Yo, Josh, you ready?
Yes, sir. Let's do this.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Y'all ready, guys?
What's up, baby?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. We got.
Let's go for the music video, guys. Come on, we gotta hit it.
You already seen what type of yacht it is?
Huh?
You already know.
Yeah, I've been seeing that shit on YouTube for the longest.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? DuBRD here, back at it again with another video. Really quick video. Today we are in South Beach, Miami, because it's my friend's 25th birthday, and for his 25th birthday, guess what? We are renting out this big ass yacht. Let's get it!
On some savage shit, hit the club and bag a bitch. Next they disappear. I've been on some magic shit. Got a bag of tricks.
What's your name?
I'm Captain Bruce.
Captain Bruce. Tell me about this boat.
It's a 105 Leopards, Italian-made yacht, made over in Italy. It's 25 foot wide. It's triple jet drive. Runs on 3 2,000 horsepower MTU engines.
And anything we should know about this boat?
It's a good, safe vessel. I think you'll enjoy the ride. It's something unique that you don't get on most boats.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So the plan right now is to go out, use the jet skis first, and then, you know, celebrate with friends. But this video is for Josh. I know I haven't been vlogging a while, and I got some videos that I'm working, and I definitely have some more videos in mind that I need to get to. But for right now, I'm just gonna enjoy this boat with my friends, you know? So let's get it. Hey!
Hey, first things first, I'm a killer. Ice, lemon, chiller. Pour another drink, let it fill up. Ice cream paint, let my Kurt go bangs. I just made my own wave, I don't need your lane. While my shit go, bang, bang. While my shit go, bang, bang. While my shit go, bang, bang. Yeah, while my shit go.
Yeah, we need a tour up in here. Look at this.
Dude, have you gone downstairs?
No.
Yeah, you have
Take
to
it
go to
this
the-
way.
Let's go.
You have to, bro.
Let's go. We're gonna go downstairs right now. Oh, look at that. We're gonna go see the bedrooms. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice little TV in there. Oh, let's do it. Let's go downstairs. Oh,
Yeah, I already saw it.
oh, oh. What's in here?
Go straight this way.
Nothing in here?
That's the bathroom, right?
Oh,
Like a locker or something.
Yeah, it's
oh my gosh.
Each room has its own
Look
bathroom.
at this. Oh, wow. Bathroom. Oh.
here.
All right, let's,
Look.
wait, let's go over here. Hold on. Oh, okay. Another bathroom in here. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, let's do it.
Bro, look this.
Look at, oh my gosh. No way.
To the right.
Look at that. Damn. Sexy as shit. So who's smashing in it? Oh my gosh. Let's do it. This is the front of the boat. So we got this railing that just takes you everywhere. And then we'll get some more. Man, this is a huge boat. Just gorgeous everywhere. Ooh, beautiful day here. I'm excited. This is my first time getting on the yacht, and I don't know what to expect. All I know is that we have a jet ski attached to the back of it, and then we're just gonna party. Have the girls, you know, catching a tan, and then shoot a little music style video. Also, follow me on my Instagram at DudeBRD. You can see everything behind the scenes and more exclusive content there. Everything I do as far as editing and what videos I'm doing, what I'm up to. For sure, you can get see the behind the scenes. So at DudeBRD on Instagram, follow your boy. Yes. And if you slide in my DMs, I promise you, I'll give you a shout out.
like a race. Ain't no sign of stopping, no more pace. I can see them plotting, it ain't safe. She know that I got it on the way. Told her get up on my face. I need diamonds on my face. Only came for the baddies and the drinks.
Damn. Champagne.
Showers. You're gonna drink out of the bottle?
No.
Speech.
Hey,
Give me some more.
Speech, Josh.
Please, Josh. So
That's
we can
it.
hear
That's
it.
it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's it.
All right, guys, give it.
Alright, guys.
Come on, Josh.
Hey.
Once upon a time, there was a broke ass kid. So cheers to family.
Cheers.
Happy birthday
Only
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Josh. Happy birthday to you.
So this is your garage right here. Hey! Got the jet ski out here. Oh, we're getting some life jackets. Oh. You jumping in that water?
Yep.
Oh, you getting in there?
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it in big bags coming, coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of Ben.
Shit,
we
my
have
fault.
so much things to talk about.
Shit. So, we're currently on our way back. I am here with the birthday boy. Hey, Maria, Eric. Volume down. I'm gonna get copyrighted strike. Yes, thank you. The copyright, alright? Because then his label's gonna take all my money. That guy. He already has enough money.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
Alright, anyways, on the way back home, what do you think about the day?
Fucking badass, bro.
It was fun. It was so much fun, and
now-
I'm drunk. I don't even know what I'm saying.
We can now say we had on a yacht.
Oh, shit.
Hey.
Bleep! That shit ain't making it out. What about you? You can say the same. Oh,
We've done things on the yacht.
we've done things that we should
Anyways, I need to
keep
go
in
get my
Miami.
backpack. I need to go get my backpack.
Anyways, let's close out this. Let's close out this video.
Okay.
Tonight we're gonna go get fucking lit at a fucking
My
club.
birthday, and that's why we gonna
Happy
do it.
25th, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
Give this video a like, and drop a comment from my girl Carla right there. Hey!
I was like the lit one. I don't even know.
Exactly. So, catch you on the next one. Peace. Hey.
We're in Miami, bitch.
Don't Versace my cologne, my city I put on. I did it on my own, bitch. I'm more than Joe one song. Call me what you want, just don't call when I'm in my zone. Gotta put my phone on.
Volume down.
Volume down.
Yeah. Meryl,
Ready to rock.
what do you think about the day?
Oh, love it.
She flew all the way from Rotterdam for me, so.
Rotterdam. I'm so glad you didn't
From
say
what?
Amsterdam.
Whatever.
Where did she
I love
fly
you.
from?
Rotterdam, the
Rotterdam.
Netherlands.
The Netherlands.
14 hours, guys. It took me 14 hours to get to Miami to get fucked up.
Hey. All right.
Worth
it.
it.
Worth it. Bye.
Go back, do what you do. Take care of business.
Good luck.
Take
Lock
care
it.
of
Make sure
business.
you lock it,
You
alright?
want me to open your shirt?
Go.
No, don't cut off.
Hey, where's the song? Play the song, hurry.
But I want to get the video. Hey.
Yeah, play the song.
Hold on. I gotta get a spot.
Come
What is
on.
the song called?
City girl.
Yo, turn around. Hey.